Hi, welcome to AtomUnity Tutorials. Today, we are going to see how to install the AtomUnity WordPress community theme. In this video, we'll guide you through the process step by step so that you can get started with your community website quickly. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the sidebar, hover over Appearance and then click on Themes. Next, click on Add New. To install the AtomUnity community theme, click on the Upload Theme button, or you can also search and install the AtomUnity theme or choose the theme's zip file that you've downloaded. And then click Install Now. Once the theme is installed, click on the Activate button to make it live on your website. After activation, the theme will open a setup wizard to help you get started. The wizard will guide you through a few important steps. It will start by installing the required plugins for the theme. Then, it will import the demo content, giving your site a head start in terms of design and structure. And there you have it. Your AtomUnity WordPress community theme is now installed, activated, and ready to go. You can start customizing your community website and connecting with your audience. If you have an active AtomChat license, then you can activate AtomChat from here, or you can do it later. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we wish you all the best with your new community website powered by AtomUnity WP.